Now this method is perfect for activating any version of Windows, any version of Microsoft Office. So you can use this method. I'll show you how to use it. Now before we move on to that, make sure your PC is connected to the internet. Then you come to start and right click. You right click on start and select Windows PowerShell admin. Alright, click on that. It's going to open the Windows PowerShell as an administrator. You wait until all the commands completely runs. Alright, we'll just give a little time here. Okay. Now you run the following scripts. IRM in small letters, space, HTTPS, colon, / must be double / and then get, GET, dot activated, ACTIVATED, dot win, WIN, space, and then this particular character, it's not / not /, it's a straight character, and then space, and then IEX, and then you tap on enter. Once you tap on enter, you wait until the command is complete. It will take a little time. Alright. While it's running, make sure you subscribe to my channel so that whenever I upload a new video, you should be the first to know. Alright, the command will open the command prompt window. Do not do anything. You just wait for the commands to complete. Okay, the command prompt window is open. You wait for the next instruction. Do not skip part of this video because there are some very necessary things that I need to tell you about on this method. Alright, let's give a little time. It's running. You will see some display. Just don't skip the video. Okay, you will see this display. Now on this display you will see on the right there are commands that are going to run, and on your left you have the numbers. Those are the numbers that you are going to press to run the commands on your right. So the first one is for activating Windows, and the second one is for activating Office. Any Microsoft Office version can be activated. You want to check the activation status? Go down, press 6. So you see this on your left, you have these numbers. These numbers are the ones that you are going to press to run the commands that are on your right. So those are the numbers and they are commands that are going to run. Now we are not going to look at others. We will be specifically looking at how to activate Windows using this method. So we will use the one that is right at the top that marked green. That is for activating Windows. So we are going to press 2 on our keyboard. We will be pressing 2 to activate the Office, not the Windows, sorry, it's Office activation. Okay, so such display you will be seeing after pressing 2, and then here we are going to press 1 to install the Office. So we'll press 1 on the keyboard. Alright, wait for the command to run. There's another thing that I need to show you. It's still running. It should not take a lot of time. Just don't do anything. Make sure your PC is connected to the internet with sufficient data. Alright, the initialization is started. Just watch carefully. Watch carefully. It is now checking the server. Alright, it's in progress. Okay. Just don't skip the video, as I've said. Anything might happen along the way that you will miss, so don't skip the video. Now when you are running PowerShell, it's very important that you don't run other commands. It's important. Whatever commands that I tell you to run, you run it. Don't do other things. Let's just maximize this. Just don't skip the video. Like I said, there are some things that you might miss out on. Okay, just look at what is going to happen here. Okay, now it's activating the Office. You can see the Office version LTSC 2024 and the version. This is the latest one. Alright, it's installing the product key. Okay, it will install the product key. The product key is successful. Just don't do anything. Let the commands run. Let them run until they complete running. Just don't do anything, and do not skip the video. You wait until I tell you what to do. There will be a final last step that I need to tell you about. Okay, the Office is permanently activated, so you can now press any key to exit. So congratulations, your Office is activated. Once you press any key, you will go back. Okay, from here you press 0. You have to press 0 to exit. You can now close the PowerShell window, and then there's a last step that you need to do. Open Word. We'll just open Word. Okay, let's see what's going to happen. We have to open Word and accept the license. Let's see, go to accounts. All right, this computer is still running. It should give you a window that says you need to accept the license. There is it, accept the license agreement. Just accept it and you should be able to see product activated.